Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 600 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And now we need to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Now we need to find a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is right here. So keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. And here, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you need to enter to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it is normal. So just enter your current screen lock. And now we've got the information, we are the developer. So we can go back to the general list of the settings and go to System and Updates. Now let's tap on Developer Options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. And basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the developer options will disappear from the system and update settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.